Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform an additional operation in base 16. Base 16 is also known as hexadecimal numbers, and in base 16 we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A is 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F is 15. So let us look at these examples. We have 8, C, D, 9 plus 1, 0, C, E, all in base 16, base 16. First of all, our C is 12, our D goes to 13, and our E is 14. So we have 9 plus 14 plus 14 equals to 23. 23, 23 in base 16 is 1. 1 times is 16. I have 7. That is 1 remainder 7. Write 7. Carry 1 to the next 1. So 13 plus 12 equals to 25 plus 1, that is 26. And 26 in base 16, 1 times 16 is 10, remainder 10. So 10, our 10 is A. Our 10 is A. 10 is A. So C is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13, plus 0 is 13. 13 or 13 is D. So 8 plus 1 is 9, all in base 16. Thank you for watching.